Today we're going to be doing jellyfish painting. You have to put tempera paint inside of a little cup and put some water in it so it gets nice and watery. Once you're done doing that, you're going to use this kind of watercolor paper. We're going to start now. First, you will teach your students how to draw a half circle on the paper and paint it in. And then you're going to teach them how to put most of the paint in the watery paint, like down towards the bottom. So it'll look like that. And then you pick up the paper and let the paint run down. And as you can see, it turns into a jellyfish. You might have to help your students do this kind of thing because they're going to try to smash the paper and you don't want it to wrinkle or anything. After that, you should probably require your students to do more than one jellyfish so that they can experience the two paints running together and making different colors. And you can discuss like primary colors and what colors mix with what and what'll make ugly colors and what'll make pretty colors. These are the two that I did. My teacher exemplars are going to look like this. But at the end, I'll do one more so that you can mix the colors together. Now that we have our final piece, you can teach your students how to do splatter painting, which can tend to get messy, so you have to make sure that you're watching over them while they're doing this. They can either pick a new color that they didn't use, or they can pick a color that they did use, whatever they want to do, and you just drip the paint on the paper. Definitely make sure you have a cover under it, otherwise your tables will be absolutely destroyed. And just put the paint all over. And you might not want to pick it up right away because all the splatters will run everywhere. But that's your final piece that you're going to be looking at. With this lesson, you're going to be talking about jellyfish and their habitats and how they come into encounter with people. You can talk about the different forms, the different parts, the different species. It'd be really cool if you could go to the aquarium and actually see the jellyfish in real life. I think the kids would really like that. This is a fun one-day project that will only take 30 minutes, and the kids can actually create more than one paper if they like. I would suggest making them do at least 2 jellyfish. With these, you can actually have them, you'll put them on the drying rack and they'll dry overnight, and you can have them give them to their parents, or you can have little cards made, like have these shrunk and printed and have little cards on them and with the artist's name, and you can post these all over your room and have your own aquarium in your classroom. And I think it's really something fun that first graders would enjoy. So I hope you liked my display of how to do jellyfish painting.